I have bad news for you. The workplace is killing people. But I have worse news for you. Nobody cares.
The issues facing us in business, leadership, and society are complex. But if we can understand them better, we can face them confidently. I'm Kevin Kuhl, the host of If Then, a podcast from Stanford Graduate School of Business, where we go deep with professors on their research and insights into everything from workplace stress to trust in government.
That's why I like to talk about trustworthiness. In other words, who should you trust? Who deserves our trust? And, to deserve a trust, somebody needs to actually not harm us, even if they can get away with it.
You'll be surprised by what you learn, like the way countries use their financial muscle to wield power.
I think of geoeconomics as essentially that middle ground between really expensive threats, like the threats to invade a country or to start a war, and purely soft arguments.
If Then poses questions that shape our lives, our work, and our future.
A lot of policy makers are really interested in encouraging green investment, encouraging people to buy electric cars. But what I don't think we have great evidence on is what exactly motivates them to do it. Is it a federal tax credit? Is it just the warm glow feel that you're doing something better for the environment?
If Then is the podcast for curious people looking for answers to complex questions. If you're one of them, then I hope you'll join us. If Then, Season 2, launching February 5th, wherever you get your podcasts.